Hi, I'm Leah Saunders and I work at NZCER in Assessment Services. This short video is to show you how to roll over your marking service subscription for 2019. Log in to NZCER Marking with your administrator access details from 2018. The system will then prompt you to roll over your subscription for the 2019 year. Click Continue. This page will pre-populate with the assessments and surveys that you had access to last year. You can tick or untick subjects to match your school's needs this year. Make sure the administrator details are correct before choosing how you'd like to pay. Adding this to an account will create an invoice to be sent to your school, or you can choose to pay by credit card if you wish. Agree to the terms of use once you've had a read and click Preview. Review the subjects and prices and ensure these are correct. If you'd like to make changes to your order, click the Go Back button rather than use the Browser Back button. Click Continue to the next step when you're ready. You're now on the checkout page. This lists what you have selected for your school's subscription. You can change the payment selection if you wish. Click Process Payment when you're satisfied that all is correct. It will take a moment or two while the marking system connects you with your account on our corporate site. Once you see the Checkout Complete page, your school is now registered. You will soon receive an email with brand new 2019 Administrator Access details to log in with and information on how to set up your marking site.